I'm going to do a quick cold start video on my PV544. It hasn't been started in a couple of days. It's been in my garage. Of course, we're in California on April 7th. Not really cold, but anyway, there's dot on the exhaust manifold, if you can see that. And it's 62, 61, 62 right in there. And if you come up to the battery, it's there's the dot on the battery, if you see that, 62. And on the firewall, 60, 63. Okay, now we're gonna go inside and fire it up. In neutral, choke on, brakes on, here we go. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? Thanks, folks. Bye-bye.